Basel, a vibrant city located in the northwestern corner of Switzerland where the borders of Switzerland, France, and Germany converge, is a cultural gem that seamlessly blends history, art, architecture, and a cosmopolitan lifestyle. Nestled along the banks of the Rhine River, Basel offers a rich tapestry of experiences that cater to a diverse range of interests. The city's cultural scene is a major draw, with over 40 museums and art galleries that span a wide spectrum of genres. The Kunstmuseum Basel houses an impressive collection of European art, from old masters to contemporary works, while the Fondation Baylor showcases modern and contemporary art in a stunning architectural setting. The Museum Tinguely, dedicated to the works of the kinetic artist Jean Tinguely, is a testament to Basel's commitment to innovation and creativity. Basel's historic Old Town is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, medieval buildings, and charming squares. The iconic red sandstone Basel Minster dominates the skyline, offering panoramic views of the city and the Rhine River from its towers. Exploring the Old Town reveals hidden courtyards, quaint boutiques, and cafes where visitors can savor Swiss delicacies. The Rhine River, a focal point of the city, offers a unique opportunity for relaxation and adventure. Taking a boat cruise along the Rhine provides a different perspective of the city's landmarks, including the impressive Middle Bridge and the picturesque riverside architecture. The Rhine also invites locals and visitors alike to indulge in a favorite pastime, swimming or floating downstream with the current during the warmer months. Basel's culinary scene is a gastronomic journey that reflects the city's international character. From traditional Swiss eateries serving fondue and raclette to upscale restaurants offering gourmet experiences, there's something to satisfy every palate. The city's diverse population also means that visitors can savor a variety of global cuisines. Shopping enthusiasts will find delight in Basel's array of options, from luxury boutiques and international brands to quirky local stores and bustling markets. The Freistrasse is a popular shopping street that offers a mix of high-end fashion and local craftsmanship. Basel's festivals and events showcase its dynamic spirit. The Art Basel Fair, one of the most prestigious contemporary art events in the world, attracts art enthusiasts and collectors from around the globe. The Fastnacht Carnival, a vibrant and colorful celebration of local traditions, music, and costumes, brings the city to life with a festive atmosphere. Whether you're immersing yourself in art and culture, exploring historic landmarks, enjoying the riverside ambience, or savoring culinary delights, a visit to Basel promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Switzerland's cultural diversity, artistic vibrancy, and modern sophistication, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.